Changing your payout method on Walmart Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Walmart Plus website or app on login using your credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the website or app. Step 3. Select payment methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Enter the required information, such as bank account details or payment card information, as prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to verify that your payment information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Walmart Plus. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.